Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to set up Tailwind version 2.0 with Create React app. As all of us know, Tailwind recently releases version 2.0 and the newer version contains some more interesting things like new color palettes, dark mode and much more. So without any further ado, now let's start set up Tailwind with Create React app. And for this tutorial I am going to follow my blog on how to set up Tailwind with Create React app. Open your terminal and start creating a new React project. If you already have a React project, you don't need to create it again. Just skip this part of the video. So to create a new React project, type npx create react app and your project name. Mine is Tailwind React Demo and hit enter. This will create a React project for you in a couple of minutes. Our React project is created. Now change the directory to the newly created folder directory. Type your folder name and hit enter. And now open this folder with your favorite code editor. Type code dot and hit enter. This will open this folder in your code editor. Now your project is open with VS Code editor. Now open your terminal and you need to install 4 different packages. These are the 4 packages. First is Tailwind CSS, Post CSS, Auto Prefixer and Post CSS-CLI. And if you want to read more about Post CSS, check out this link postcss.org. For now, just copy this command from here and paste it over in your terminal. I am installing these packages as a tab dependency. Now hit enter to install all the 4 packages. Packages are installed. You can see it in your package.json file. These are the packages you just installed. So next step is to create a new folder inside your source folder and name it assets. And inside this assets folder you need to create 2 files. First is output.css file and second one is tailwind.css file. Okay, and inside this tailwind.css file you need to write some tailwind directive. You just directly copy it from here and paste it inside your tailwind.css file. Next thing is you need to create a default tailwind configuration file. Just copy this command npx tailwind css in a test full and paste it over here. This will create a default tailwind configuration file for you. Now our tailwind default configuration file is created. This file is contain all the default Tailwind configuration. Now next thing is to create 2 more files. First one is empty Tailwind config file and second one is post CSS config file. Just copy this command from here and paste it in your terminal. This will create 2 files, Tailwind CSS config file and the post CSS config file. Okay, so now you can see this is your Tailwind CSS-config.js file and this is your postcss.config file. Now you need to change this Tailwind CSS line with this one. Just copy it and paste it over here. Now your Tailwind CSS-config.js file is now configured with postcss.config.js file. If you make any changes inside this file, means you can now extend your default color palette, your font family. Now all the changes is now being considered. Next thing is open your package.json file and replace this script with this one. Just copy it from here and paste it over here. Don't forget to add a comma after that, like this. Okay, just save it for now. Next thing is import your output.css file inside app.js file. Just copy this code from here and paste it inside this app.js file. Now you completely set up Tailwind in your React project. Before hitting npm start, remove this default JSX and remove this app class name as well. And now run npm start to start your React project in deployment. As you can see, now your React project is started in development. So to check whether your Tailwind CSS is properly set up in your React project, just give some background color to the body. So before adding background color, first open app.css file and remove all the default CSS. Now open your app.js file again and add h1 tag and type hello world and save it, and give some background color or text color to this h1 tag using Tailwind utility classes. Give bg dash blue dash 500 and text dash white and save it, and open your browser to see the changes. As you can see, it applies background color and text color to the h1 tag. It means you successfully integrated Tailwind in your React project. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video.